This video demonstrates the hardware installation of the mobile stand for the DeltaTrack Thermal Trace thermal imaging system. To begin the installation, first locate the mobile stand base and wheels. To install the wheels, flip the base upside down. Hand tighten each of the wheels into the base screw holes. The next step is the installation of the extension pole into the base. Stand the base on end, then insert the extension pole into the hole provided for it in the base. Hand tighten the screws to the extension pole through the base. Use the provided Allen wrench to tighten the screws in order to attach the extension pole to the base. Position the mobile stand in an upright position to continue with the installation. Next is the installation of the computer tray. Remove the screws from the computer tray bracket. Then attach the computer tray to the bracket by reinserting and tightening the screws. Loosen the tightening knob located above the computer tray and raise the inner tube of the extension pole. Retighten the knob after the adjustment has been made and the extension pole is at the desired height. If necessary, turn the mobile stand around to access the keyboard tray bracket. Remove the screws from the keyboard tray bracket. Then attach the keyboard tray to the bracket by reinserting and tightening the screws. Next is the computer display bracket reposition. Use the Allen wrench to loosen the computer display bracket bolts and position the bracket. Retighten the bolts when the bracket is positioned to the desired height. Next is the mobile stand handle installation. Insert a bolt through the hole at the end of the handle and tighten the bolt to the corresponding square nut located in the extension pole track. Repeat this for the other end of the handle. Raise the handle to the desired height, then tighten the bolts. Repeat the steps for the second handle. The last step in the mobile stand hardware installation is repositioning the camera mount bracket. Use the Allen wrench to remove the bolts holding the bracket and detach the camera mount bracket. Flip the bracket 180 degrees and position the bracket on the opposite side of the extension pole. Complete the camera mount bracket reposition by reinserting and tightening the bolts. Move the camera mount bracket to the top of the extension pole and tighten the bolts. This completes the mobile stand hardware installation.